3 deserves its own little video here. It says, this should be shutting up now. Right, where are we? I've got here x minus 2 squared plus y squared equals 4, and I've got y equals x minus 1. Now, bit of a pain. I've got to solve these simultaneously without writing all over the screen everywhere. Solve these simultaneously, and I'll give my answer to 2dp. In other words, the stupid formula is involved. Right then, best thing to do is to shove the x plus 1 right there with the y's, because y equals x plus 1. So what I have got in fact is this. I've got x minus 2 squared plus x minus 1 squared. It's y squared, isn't it? Equals 4. I've got a lot of multiplying out to do. I'm going to end up with a massive equation which I then have to simplify. Now let me try and do this directly without having to write it all out. That means I've got x squared. I'm imagining x minus 2 and an x minus 2 bracket right next to it, so I can just do it in like a hit. So I've got x squared minus 2x is minus 4x, and minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. Well, that's that one done. Plus, I've got another x squared there. X times minus 1 will be minus x, minus another x, that's minus 2x's, and minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, and that comes to 4. What have we got? Oh, I've got 2x squared, bam, bam, minus 6x, bam, bang, plus 5 equals 4. Bring the 4 over. 2x squared minus 6x, 5 take away 4 is 1, equals 0, and I'm told to give my answer to 2dp. In other words, don't even try factorising it. I can see it's not going to work anyway. Just to make life clearer, what we've got to do is highlight where the a, b and c is. So the a in the formula is going to be 2, the b is going to be minus 6, and the c is going to be 1. So let's set up quickly, and we really are playing with x's this time. So here we go. I've got x equals minus b, which is minus 6, plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is minus 6 squared, minus 4a times c. Divide all that by 2a, 2 2's, get me 2 answers, and then get my 2 y's as well. Right, that should be an equals, of course. Let's just do it then. Right, so I've got 6, give or take the square root of, well, that's going to be 36, and that's going to be minus 8 rather, isn't it? Because minus 4 times 2 is minus 8, times 1 minus 8. Divide that by 4, so we get our 2 answers now. X equals 6 plus, better pause it. Okay, hope it's not too glitchy now. So I've got x equals 6 plus the square root of, what's that, 36, take away 8 equals, yeah, that's 28. Divide by 4, that's straight away. 28, didn't work out very well, did it? So, root it, bam. Add on the 6 plus 6 equals, divide that by 4. I have got 2.82 for that one. And for this one, I'm going to say x equals 6 minus the square root of 28. Divide that by 4. Go straight to my answer. So I've got 6 minus root 28. Press equals. Divide by 4. Press equals. I've got 0.177, 0.18 then. So let's just do the y's quickly. Hopefully stand out in blue. I've got y equals x minus 1. So therefore y equals 2.82, that's the x, minus 1. I can do that in my head, 1.82. And here I've got y equals x minus 1, which is 0.18, then minus 1. And that I don't want to do in my head. 0.18 minus 1, I have got minus 0.82. Again, the only difference between this one and the others is that I end up with brackets we have to multiply out. Here we go, look there. Look, brackets, multiply them out, another bracket, multiply it out. Get your quadratic, bring it all to one side, shove it in the formula, get your answers. So these are my 2 sets of solutions. I've got this little lot here, with this little lot here. It's a separate set of solutions, and I'll leave it like that because it's a bit tricky. You need to go over it. What is more, I sort of did this quite quickly in my brain and just wrote it down there. What you can do in exam if you want to, you could do something like this. For example, once you've written that, you can say to yourself x minus 2 with x minus 2 plus x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1, so you can, so it all stands out for you, and just work out all the bits and pieces. If that helps, then do that. If you run out of paper, ask for paper, so you do a quick rough calculation and shove it in your answer book really neatly. Alright, so I'm going to stop that, and that's question 3. I might do 1 or 2 of the word ones as well. Well, I will do 1 or 2 because you need to do that. Right, catch you later.